Hello, I am Dr. Narsimha, consultant physician. Today I am going to discuss about immunity boosters in corona disease. And this information given in the channel is only for educational purpose only, not for treating or diagnosing any disease. Immunity is a mechanism through which our body will fight against the infection or a toxin by protective antibodies or sensitized white blood cells. Our body is nothing but collection of the food. So whatever we will eat, it will store in the body. If you have healthy food, it will have positive impact on our immunity that will protect the our body from the disease. So majorly our immunity comes from our food only, like plant fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes. Vegetables like that cabbage and broccoli, spinach, sweet and white potato, all these things having enough quantities of vitamins like C vitamin, E vitamin, and fruits like citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits. These are all having enough quantities of vitamin C and E vitamin. These are all it is having antioxidant properties, not only antioxidant properties, and also it will fight against the infection. It will reduce the inflammation in the body. Then you have a these plant foods also not only supplements the vitamins, it is have a trace elements also like zinc, selenium. These are also having immunity boosters. It will have positive impact on our body to prevention of the disease. Then we can take the adequate amount of the healthy fat like polyunsaturated fatty acids from sources like olive oil, salmon, fish. These are all having positive impact on our immunity. Then we have to take adequate amount of water to have hydration in the body. If you have not enough water in the body, it can lead to dehydration. It have side effects like headache and giddiness, something like that. It will cause in the body to have negative impact too. And also it is for proper organ function like liver, kidney and heart. Proper hydration is needed, otherwise organ dysfunction will come. Then in our diet we have to limit our added sugars. It will added sugar that will promote the weight gain, and it can cause also heart disease and diabetes. That will lead to inflammation. It will destroy our health. So to improve our immunity, we can reduce our added sugar in our diet. Then we have to take enough fruits and vegetables in a regular basis. Variety of colors of fruits we have to take, that will have all combination of the vitamins and minerals, and antioxidant will supply. Then we will have to control our health. There we have to take fermented foods like yogurt and natto. These having it will supply the probiotic, and also gut health and immunity are interconnected. If you take the fermented foods, you have a healthy gut, so it will have a positive impact on immunity. It will reduce the diseases. Then coming to after food, we have to come to physical exercise. Physical exercise having positive impact on our cardiovascular health. Then weight management, this will reduce the inflammation, so it will improve the immunity also. At least per day 30 to 45 minutes of exercise is needed in the form of brisk walking, jogging, steady cycling, swimming, mild hiking. These are all impact the immunity. It will improve our health, and it will fight against the infections. Infections may come from bacteria, fungal or virus. Anyhow, whatever maybe, it will cause the inflammation. It will destroy the health. Then another part is stress. In our daily life we are having a lot of stresses from our work pressure, family pressure and everything. It may be acute or it may be chronic. All this leads to inflammation, and it will decrease the immunity. So we have to take adequate measures to prevent the stress from our work and our relationships and friends. We have to follow healthy habits like meditation, yoga, then other exercises. It will have positive impact on the body and mind. So it will have improve the immunity. So it will have positive impact. Then coming to sleep, every individual having adequate sleep is needed. Mostly around 6 to 7 hours is recommended. If the person not having enough sleep, he will go to immune system will weaken. He will susceptible to easily infections. Then coming to lifestyle changes like you can avoid cigarette smoking, alcohol consumptions, and drug intake. So these are all weaken the immune system. So you avoid all these things to have healthy life. So at the bottom line, to improve your immunity against any infections like bacteria, viral, fungal. Presently coronavirus is there. So for all these things, your diet and lifestyle changes are vital important in the role to improve your immunity. So apart from your diet, exercise, and stress and sleep and lifestyle changes, so routine precautions also we should take to prevent the coronavirus, like wearing of the mask, then hand sanitation with alcohol based products, and social distancing. These are all important. So immunity have always, through immunity only will have a person will have health of the body. So to achieve the optimal immunity, so person has to take healthy diet from plant food basically, to avoid processed food. So if you like this video, can share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.